Okay, Zarina, the video's going.
Hello, everybody. We are living here in such a wonderful, lovely place. Scott, you can show everybody place around.
Okay.
Not only me. It's not interesting to look at me.
Why are you sitting here on the bench?
Here are hotel numbers. You see all them? We
Yeah.
are in ancient way. You see old woman. She's cleaning the garden. She's she living here. She's not like service people. She's just owner, I may say, of this hotel. But she just cleans the garden. You can also show these things.
What things?
Where we having breakfast and
The gazebo place?
Tapchan, yes. That is a tree with cherry. Там черешня растет.
Did you have some of those cherries?
Yes, I had them on my breakfast.
Were they good?
Yeah.
Were they so tasty?
Wonderful.
Anything else interesting?
No, Scott, just have taken douche. I'm just going.
Okay, say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.